At Wheel and Anchor, our experiential trips are for global explorers, travelers who want to seek beyond the usual tourist sites. They want to peel back a destination's layers to understand the why behind its culture and traditions. Imagine mornings walking alongside a salt mine artisan learning techniques unchanged since Celtic times, afternoons debating philosophy with a local baker over apple strudel in a 400-year-old bakery, or evenings decoding the night sky with a shepherd whose family has tended these peaks for generations. We craft these journeys for those who thrive on authentic exchange. Our objective is to open doors to living traditions, perhaps a private demonstration of traditional dirndl embroidery or shadowing a cheesemaker aging wheels in an alpine farm. This is travel for the endlessly curious, those who measure a journey's success by conversations had, skills learned, and perspectives shifted. Not just where you go, but how deeply you connect. Are you ready to explore beyond the expected?